Welcome to Digital Boss Academy review. As you can see that I am inside the members area of Digital Boss Academy. I purchased the Digital Boss Academy Volume 2, meaning that I can only resell Digital Boss Academy Volume 1 and Volume 2. I can make $222 per sale plus $1,111 per sale, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get access to Digital Boss Academy, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. You can choose which volume that you want to buy, but I always highly recommend that you buy Digital Boss Academy Volume 1, Volume 2, because you can make $222 per sale plus $1,111 per sale. You can only have 2 income streams, guys. Okay, now let's talk about Digital Boss Academy. As you can see, that Digital Boss Academy, this is the best master reseller that is growing really fast here, guys. This community now, it got 21,000 members here, guys. Okay, and also the community here on Digital Boss Academy, it is active. Whenever you have questions, you can ask the community here. The community, guys, gonna get back to you as soon as possible. People, they're gonna tell you what to do whenever you're struggling, guys. They're gonna even help you to make even your first sale, guys. I'm gonna show you the proof that members here, they're making money here, guys. If I go here to share your wins, this is where that members here on Digital Boss Academy, they are sharing their first wins. This person made $50,000, guys, with the training of Digital Boss Academy in less than 6 months, guys. This person made $5,000 in less than 33 days. What would you buy with this kind of money, guys? If you made this kind of money, what would you buy? What would you do, guys? Leave a comment down below in the comment section. I would like to know, what would you buy with that kind of money, guys? Okay, this person made their first sale. I'm so excited. I got my first sale. This person, they got 300 followers. My first win. Look at this. My first sale. This person made $55, guys, with the help of Digital Boss Academy, guys. There are so many results here. There are so many testimonials that people, they are making money with the training of Digital Boss Academy. You can do the same thing. There is no limit, guys, on what you can achieve online. Okay, with Faceless YouTube channel, people, they got views, they got money as well. Okay, this person, it says that, Thomas, I made 2 sales yesterday. Okay, I made 2 sales yesterday. Okay, this person, my win on Digital Boss Academy. People, they are sharing their amazing results, guys, with Digital Boss Academy. If we go here to the training, this is where that Digital Boss Academy is going to teach you the skills that you can learn, guys, with Digital Boss Academy. As you can see that I purchased Volume 2 and Volume 1, guys, okay, for $222. Okay, as you can see that I didn't purchase Volume 3, guys, but there's no need for that one, you know. Take a look at this one, guys. With Digital Boss Academy Volume 2, there is more training compared to Volume 1, guys. Okay, there's content inspiration, how to do content. Now if I click here to Volume 2, take a look at the training here, guys. There are so many things that you can learn. You can learn TikTok Shop, you know. You can learn YouTube. You can also learn Pinterest, how to market on Pinterest. You can also learn how to do Etsy. You can also learn how to sell digital products on Etsy. Not only that, but you can also learn how to sell physical products using Etsy Shop, guys. Okay, take a look at these modules, guys. These are the step-by-step training tutorial videos that they're gonna teaching you on how to do this, guys. Okay, it is so amazing. You know, they're also gonna teach you how to become a virtual assistant, guys. Okay, they're also gonna teach you how to do Printful on demand using dropshipping, how to market on Shopify, how to do Shopify, how to becoming a travel agent, how to do faceless marketing, guys. So I recommend, guys, that you choose a career that you want, guys. Okay, for me, it was digital marketing. It was selling digital products, guys. So I decided to sell digital products using faceless, guys. You can also do faceless marketing, meaning that you don't have to show your face, you don't have to be on camera to sell digital products, guys. Okay, Digital Boss Academy is going to teach you the skills that are required, the skills that you need to master these, guys. You can also grow your own Faceless account. You know, you can sell these skills, guys, to brands, guys. It's going to teach you how to do UGC, guys, you know, for brands, you know. So I teach you how to do YouTube automation, how to do Amazon KDB, how to manifest, how to do stock for beginners, how to do life insurance, guys, homeschooling, guys, Lemonade, how to start your own virtual business, guys. There's so many things that you can learn here, guys, with Digital Boss Academy, you know. Then for volume one, guys, is gonna costing you $111 per sale, you know. It's gonna teach you how